Hello again, everybody. We are now on to lot 16. This is the horizontal slotting machine, CNC slotting machine, model BJD-P41. Further commentary on what this machine is doing, similar to the previous lot 15, which was the vertical slotting machine. This, as you can see, is the horizontal. Now, you see the operator has two different size panels, and as the cutting head progresses up and down the table, you'll see the blue flexible arm that is beside the cutting head. It is measuring the length of the edge that is to be cut. So there is no rhyme or reason as to where you need to place each panel that is to be worked on. That detector, that sensor, will detect the exact length, and dependent on the length that the head is going to be working on, it will either put 2 slots or 3 slots into the edge. And those slots can be integrated to the exact measurement when the machine does either slotting vertically or horizontally. Now, you'll see the round cylindrical units or heads that have just dropped down there. So they are the fence that will or guides that will stop the panel at the required point for the cutting head to then work on. Then you've got the clamps that will hold the panel in place. There's the blue arm there that you can see the sensor to detect the length of the panel. Here it comes again, measuring the side for the desired spacing, and that will correspond with the vertical slot. Now, later on in the video, you'll see the operator manually insert the joining units, and they are readily put in without any fuss. So those panels are prepared prior to transport. One operator can operate both vertical and horizontal machines, so you have labour savings there, but those labour savings are duplicated when those panels are transported flat packed to the site, very quickly assembled, as you saw in the previous video for lot 15, readily assembled, so transport costs are achieved, which present massive savings for transport and both production costs and labour. So excellent machines, and for genuine sale, the vendor is retiring. So we'd certainly recommend these machines to you. Thank you very much.